So the crypto market is already making signs of a recovery after a major correction over the last few weeks. Bitcoin had its second market correction this year, not a very big one, just about 23%, with the previous one being 20%. And as I said many times already, this cycle is unlike any other. Those who were calling for a 30 or 40% correction are being left behind. The overall market is seeing a bigger pullback though, with many of the altcoins going down by 50%, some even more. In fact, many alts are at prices that we had at the end of last year. So we are still in accumulation stage. And in today's video, I will discuss 3 coins that I'm watching for great entries in the anticipation of the next big rally. I already shared with you my complete 2024 watch list and all the tokens that are already in my portfolio. If you missed that video, it will pop up at the end of this one. But I'm always adding more coins, or I'm sometimes just swapping them around to keep my portfolio current and for maximum profitability, of course. So I'm sharing with you these new projects currently on my watch list because they have a great potential in this bull cycle and they're just getting started. So we have the first movers advantage. They're in pre-sales. This cycle is really not so much about the old large cap coins. We see that even solid projects like Cardano, Polkadot and many other top market cap coins are not really moving in price, while brand new tokens, especially those in the AI, DeepIn and RWA sectors, are making a killing. Money flows into new projects way more in this cycle. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here are 3 new tokens that look very appealing and promising in this bull run. Welcome to Crypto Corner, everyone, your go-to place for all things crypto. I'm OJ, a crypto analyst and investor since 2016. I've invested in hundreds of crypto startups to date, often in pre-launch stage of their development, and I've turned millions of dollars as a result. I'm always sharing with you what I'm currently researching or what I'm buying, and today is no exception. Here are 3 top projects that have ongoing token sales that you can get into before the tokens hit the market. First up, Metacces is a platform bridging virtual reality with the real world through blockchain and AI technologies. A fusion of augmented and virtual reality and the physical world. Their mission is to become the leading platform for digital innovation and community-driven development and seamless integration of digital and real-world interactions. It's a project committed to pioneering the fusion of artificial intelligence and Web3 technology to craft an immersive, decentralized digital universe and blurring the lines between the digital and the physical world. They advocate for true digital ownership where users are rewarded for the investments and contributions to the ecosystem. This means they will share their profits with their community and give great deals for mutual benefit. We've seen several other projects do that, so what's different here? Well, for a start, they take the blue ocean strategy approach, navigating away from the crowded waters of direct competitors. For those who are not familiar with the term, there is a blue ocean and red ocean approach in terms of startups. Red ocean is associated with striving to outperform competitors within the same market space. It's about being able to kill competition in an aggressive and ruthless way by cost-cutting, heavy marketing and product differentiation, while blue ocean is a strategic approach that focuses on creating a new market space rather than competing in existing saturated markets. This way, you can innovate, you can capture new demand, and offer customers unique value propositions leading to sustainable growth and long-term success. In crypto, this is definitely the winning approach, as we're seeing that it's always those startups that create a niche, that offer something different and new, that become the most successful ones. So I like that they're taking this approach, and from their inception, offering multifaceted services across pivotal sectors, including artificial intelligence and Web3, makes for a distinct value proposition that sets them apart from traditional competitors. Their AI-driven guide, Oli, is going to provide guidance, security enhancement, fraud detection, risk assessment, and compliance monitoring. And it demonstrates a thoughtful approach to utilizing AI's analytical capabilities in the blockchain space, while Metacces acts as a unique identifier or genetic code for user avatars. It ensures the authenticity and uniqueness of these digital assets, adding substantial value to the NFT, eliminating counterfeit or fraudulent digital assets. It's interesting that Oli is your personal AI creation and you connect it to other users' Olis to exchange information, experience and advice, innovation at its best. And there's much more that's in the works, but to find out, just go to their white paper, you will see what I mean. It's a really cool project through and through. Their token sale is ongoing. As you see, the current sale round is very close to being complete, and then the price will go up a little. It's great if you're able to catch it before the next round. Then the price will be 25 cents. It's 20 right now. Alright, next we have Creat-or, a platform revolutionizing the crypto crowdfunding space. Let me give you an idea about it. Imagine you're walking through a bustling market surrounded by innovative projects and eager investors. Creat-or serves as the bridge between them, harnessing the power of blockchain technology to deliver transparency, efficiency, and democratic principles. With exclusive investments, reduced fees, and diverse portfolios, this project caters to investors of all shapes and sizes. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest in a sea of uncertainty. They champion a blockchain-powered transformation in crowdfunding by simplifying the tokenization process and democratizing the investment landscape, which gives them an edge over other startups by being positioned in a niche with less competition. Their platform seamlessly integrates the latest DeFi protocols to unveil high-yield opportunities and new investment avenues, far surpassing traditional financial constraints. And they conduct detailed vetting on the projects that they offer. They evaluate each business to ensure that only those with genuine prospects and robust operational models are presented for crowdfunding to their customers. So they save you a ton of research and time, especially when it comes to the legitimacy of the projects. You get detailed analysis, progress reports, and other insight about each project. And for any investor, this is a huge advantage, which is also why I see a lot of potential with Creat-or and I place it on your radar. They have a native token called Creat, which serves as a utility token offering discounts on investment transactions. I found this post on their Twitter, now X, that gives a breakdown on the token utility. Apparently, it also grants early access to investment opportunities and may secure strategic roles within funded companies. On the other hand, it serves as a governance token in the platform's DAO for key decision-making. It pays staking rewards too. Investments are represented through unique NFTs offering liquidity and perks like dividends and voting rights, with top investors receiving equity in listed companies as rewards and can access real-time project data and analytics. And another thing that I find very useful, they offer Creat-or University, which provides tailored educational resources on investment strategies and industry trends. This is very helpful, especially for the less experienced investors. So all in all, a lot of features align investors' interest and foster growth within their ecosystem. The token is in its beta sale stage, as you see. There's just 6 days left for this round, so waste no time. Do more research on Creat-or as it paves the way for the future of crypto crowdfunding and jump into the pre-sale. The link is in the description below. And last but certainly not least, we have Betarena. This is a Web3 sports platform aiming to redefine the way that fans interact with their favorite teams or athletes by leveraging blockchain technology and decentralized applications, and also by offering user-centric ecosystem where participants are rewarded for their involvement. You like the sound of this? Of course. Well, one of the key features of Betarena is its content creation platform, which allows users to create and monetize their own sports-related content. Authors can set their own prices, mint them into NFTs, their publications can be NFTs and then transform them into collectibles. The intellectual property of the created content belongs always to the author and payments are sent directly to their wallet. That's only one part of it though. Betarena is also offering prediction competitions and fantasy football where users can earn tokens that are then available in their wallets. The platform's marketplace allows users to buy and sell NFTs, providing access to a wide range of sports collectibles. And another exciting aspect of Betarena is its focus on user-generated content and extensions. You can create your own plugins and extensions, which you can sell in the marketplace or you can offer it for free. It's up to you. This is great for content diversity and engagement. And from my research, I can tell you that Betarena's team is led by João Neves, an experienced entrepreneur with a background in growing successful companies and a deep understanding of blockchain technology. The platform's advisor, Bruno Pinto, is a leading engineer with 25 years of experience in executive roles, as well as an executive MBA from HEC Paris and entrepreneurship training from Babson College. The platform has its own native token, BTA, which is a utility token. It is used to incentivize engagement. I mean, users are rewarded for active participation. It also gives access to exclusive platform features and revenue sharing. Content creators can earn tokens for quality content. And the tokens will be used for governance and voting too. Now, here are some of the cross-platform utility benefits that this token offers. Enhanced connectivity, meaning users can seamlessly use tokens across different platforms. Also, increased exposure. The BTA token used on partner platforms will actually broaden its reach. And cross-promotion, in the sense that collaborations drive user growth and engagement. So that's all great. In turn, all of this will drive token demand. And the token, of course, is in a pre-sale at this moment, and you still have plenty of time. I mean, it's ending on the 20th of June. So take the time to do your due diligence, do some more research, and make sure that you add it to your watch list or just scoop it right away. We're talking about a project that is a sports content platform. It has a comprehensive coverage of various sports events. There are innovative features such as AI-generated content, live scores, and statistics as well. And it encourages community engagement because users can create content, NFTs, and podcasts and videos. And the BTA token integration includes rewards for users and it adds value to the platform. Also, it offers personalized sports content powered by AI, and there are competitions and fantasy leagues. You can win BTA through forecasts and fantasy leagues. Also there is a developers marketplace which empowers developers to monetize creations. And content creators can even customize subscription models. So Betarena isn't just any platform, it's a buzzing hub with over 1 million users. And it offers a dynamic, community-driven ecosystem that revolutionizes sports engagement, rewards user participation, and fosters collaboration and creativity within the sports content and betting industry. Which is why I picked it to be in today's list of tokens to watch and accumulate during this phase of the cycle right now. So as you see, these tokens are all new tokens. They're yet to hit the market. Make sure to add them to your list and you will find the links in the description below. As always, all the links for the tokens that I mentioned are in the description and you will find other useful links there too, like my newsletter, which is free. I send out my personal market analysis and important updates at the beginning of each month. So scan this QR code to join it for free or use the link in the description below. It's time for me to go, but first, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming episodes. I have some great info to share with you next week too, so stay tuned. And while you're here, show your support. Leave a like and a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for topics that you want me to cover. Let me know. This way I can create better content for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.